Time to go deposit some money. Money. I haven't done this.
What are you trying to do?
Huh?
What are you trying to do?
Deposit this. So I just like put it right there?
Grab the capsule. No. Oh yeah, never mind. Mine were different.
Just like that?
Did you fill it out?
I think that's what I filled out.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, this one goes down instead of up like the other ones.
Oh yeah, you're right. And
What's up, guys? Press send. Bye. Oh, thank you. Oh. What up, Royals? Guess what, guys? So the insurance, they're gonna give me like $9,000 worth of my car, so that's pretty good. I was expecting like 6,000 maybe or 7, but 9's pretty good. Good for down payment.
who's gonna buy a Prius?
Hell no. I don't know yet. You guys are gonna come with me and test drive.
Where's it coming from? Do you hear it?
Yeah, I hear it. I'm like paranoid. I was like, I hear ambulance.
What is it?
I know exactly how that feels.
Aww.
I was actually one of those. The big ones. Oh man. What was it crying? So tell them how much is it?
Okay, it was gonna be $15.96, but with my coupon,
4 pictures, right?
yeah, for big ones, not little
Yeah,
ones.
big ones.
For now I lost what I was thinking. So then with the code that I have, it was
Coupon.
yeah, coupon.
Because she loves coupons.
It took off $5.27. So that means $10.69 is how much you're gonna pay.
Wow.
Me and my coupons.
That's good though.
Yeah, see?
I love you.
Love you too.
We're about to go get some ice cream. We're not asking about water. And she's looking for a hard card. So I guess I'm gonna have to pay this and dinner.
Oh,
That's okay.
I'll pay you back somehow.
No, you don't have to pay me
Pay you back with a kiss.
Okay.
Where is it? Where's all 3 of them?
Oh, you got robbed.
No.
You got robbed.
It's because, hey, look, I got a Monopoly piece. You want it?
No. She got robbed.
I got your Stubbs card.
What's that?
For the movie theater.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta clean this out.
AMC. Woo. Sponsor. Just kidding. Come on, girl.
I'm looking.
What is that?
This is from when I went to go visit you in the hospital.
Oh, keep it.
Of course. I put it on a receipt.
Mm-hmm. So we got, flip sides on.
Ooh.
Hell yeah. So we got strawberry Mexican water. I don't know what it's called in English, but in Spanish it's called rompope.
Okay, hold on. Let's Google Translate this.
Alright. Ooh, DJ Flipside. Woo!
I don't even know how to spell it.
Rompope. R-O...
Oh, I got it. Eggnog.
What?
Eggnog.
Eggnog?
Yeah, eggnog.
What the fuck is that?
It's like everything that everyone drinks at Christmas time.
Oh yeah, well that's...
It's like egg yolk or something.
I don't know, yeah, but it's really good.
Yeah.
I hope I don't get fucking cholesterol.
I don't know. Yeah.
So go ahead and go to the second light, and we'll turn right. It's humid out today, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
tomorrow's
I
gonna be
know.
hotter though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Go to the beach. You like it?
Oh yeah.
Smooth?
Oh yeah. Feels so hot, you know. Nothing to hurt the car.
Your glasses. And for my glasses. Good radio station.
You said this for a
So the
spin.
license plate bolts. Here, why don't you jump on? Let me peel off.
We got this truck right here. Like this
I
truck?
like this one.
It's nice.
You don't buy it all that way.
Very nice truck. Very nice truck. What up? We just look at the trucks.
I like that truck.
She liked the second one. The first truck, I don't know how she vlogged. She was
I
nervous.
think it was really bad. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to put it in the vlog.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in so you guys can watch like how bad she was fucking vlogging.
Oh my god.
She gets scared when there's
Because I didn't know
a stranger.
like he was really cool, but
Yeah,
like,
but the guy was really good.
I
Like,
thought he was really
yeah, the salesman was really cool.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So right now we're gonna go pick up my pictures
I told him
for my car accident. Huh?
I told him that if he didn't buy this truck, that I'll buy it. I like it.
It was a really nice truck. We'll see Wednesday.
What's so amazing? How these are still Jeeps and you can take them off road, like, you know, we throw them up there all the time.
Yeah.
And they can still drive as smooth as they do.
Right, yeah.
Like, man, is this a car? Is this a truck?
Yeah, it
Is
drove
this a Jeep?
smoother
What
than
is it?
mine.
It's like that way there. Quick right here. Yeah.
And it's 2013, right?
Right.
Jeez,
Now
yeah.
the one that I had my manager do a quick search. There are none out there the way you want them.
Oh.
None. So I see why the other dudes don't have them because there's none out there.
Very much. Bye.
And they order some Chinese food. Oh, get it, girl, get it, girl.
No, she's looking. Oh, we saw a minion blimp.
What happened?
We saw a minion blimp.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can find the picture.
Alright.
Oh, we saw a minion blimp.
What happened?
We saw a minion blimp.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can find the picture.
Alright.
Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm not good at left. Okay, but there was a blimp and it was a little minion. It's so cute.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching the vlog. Test drive some nice trucks. So I'll see you tomorrow. You want some bye? She's sleeping. Oh, haha. Alright, guys, thanks for watching the vlog. Thanks for watching the vlog. I'll see you